there, space explorers! Welcome to SemSimpleTV, where learning is fun and every video is an adventure. Today we're going to learn about the moon, Earth's only natural satellite. Let's go!
The moon is not a planet. It's a giant space rock that's been stuck to Earth for billions of years. It's so big that it's actually Earth's largest natural satellite. And because it's covered in craters, mountains, and valleys, it looks like a different place every night. And it's so close that we can see it from almost anywhere on Earth, which means there's no air to breathe and no sound to hear. If you were to scream on the moon, you wouldn't be able to hear yourself think. But did you know that the moon doesn't produce any light of its own? It's just reflecting the sun's light. The moon has no atmosphere. It's truly a remarkable celestial body. It's also incredibly hot during the day and freezing cold at night. So if you were ever planning on visiting the moon, make sure to pack a jacket. The moon is one of Earth's oldest and most constant companions. And while we may take it for granted, why is the moon so bright at night? The moon looks bright at night because it reflects light from the sun. Even though the moon doesn't make its own light like a star, it shines in the night sky because sunlight hits the moon. And that light bounces off its surface and travels to Earth. Simple explanation for viewers about the moon. The moon is like a big mirror in the sky. It doesn't glow on its own, it just reflects sunlight. So when the sun shines on the moon, we see it glowing bright at night. Extra fun facts about the moon. The moon's surface is made of dusty, rocky material that reflects light really well. During a full moon, we see the whole lit side of the moon. That's why it looks extra bright. When the moon is near the horizon, it may look orange or big. That's because of how the Earth's atmosphere bends the light. The story of the first moon landing, what happened? On July 20th, 1969, a spacecraft called Apollo 11 landed on the moon. It was the first time in history that humans walked on the surface of the moon. A giant leap for all of humankind. Who were the astronauts? Neil Armstrong, the mission commander, and first human to walk on the moon. Buzz Aldrin, the second man to step onto the moon. Michael Collins. He stayed in orbit aboard the command module Columbia, while Armstrong and Aldrin went down to the surface. The mission timeline of the Apollo 11 launch day on July 16, 1969. Apollo 11 blasted off from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Journey to the moon, it took about 3 days to travel over 384,000 kilometers. To the moon landing on July 20th, the lunar lander Eagle separated from the main ship and landed in a flat area called the Sea of Tranquility. First step, Neil Armstrong climbed down the ladder and said the famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Exploration Armstrong and Aldrin spent about 2.5 hours walking, collecting moon rocks, taking photos, and setting up scientific instruments. Returned to Earth after spending about 21 hours on the moon, they blasted off, joined Michael Collins in orbit, and all three returned safely to Earth on July 24th, 1969.
Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.